Wait.
Hold it.
Right? Is this belch 4?
Belch 4, oh my gosh.
Or maybe it's 5.
Oh man, that was nothing. I thought I was really good.
You weed.
Mac and cheese. And chips.
Just wait.
I love this commercial.
Oh, gross. So gross. Spit on my leg. That's why. Is that a good one?
That was a good one.
Mine are like, usually like, I know. You're usually like a lot, mine's just like monster.
Yeah, they'll be like,
Yeah, I can't breathe. Won't you sing with me?
Yeah.
No, I can't burp on it.
What's this here for?
It's a spoon.
From what?
Make swine spoon. The swine spoon.
You'll be laughing, Ashley. When all of a sudden you wake up in the morning and you're like laying in mud.
Where does the mud come from? You just reduce mud?
You'll be mud slime.
This is it.
Should I stop this time?
Okay.